To Mixon's Photoshop tutorial on how to make things glow. Now I got a basic pattern, and I'm just gonna edit a little bit. Okay, there you go. I just have a pattern. Now I want to make it. If you really want to make things glow, you take this brush tool. You make the one with the least hardness, and you make it big. You can press Shift, hold down, and then you just. Okay, that's not gonna work. You opacity, put it lower and slow. You can change around it the most, whatever you want to do. You just press Shift, and you hold in Shift, and it will carry on wherever you click. Now I'm going to want to start again. You can just click normal, and then Shift click again, and that's a very easy way to make it glow. If you want it more glowy, or you can make the brush bigger, and put the opacity even more down, and flow, and you can just do the same thing. Or if you want, you can make a new layer, and you can that one, and make a small sign. You can also make that glow by double clicking not sort of the inside the frame, and you can say out glow, and you can set the color to even red if you want, or black. It's pretty much like stroke, and you just play around with that. You might want to soften this, but yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.